Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Amanda, and in this video I have 3 really easy trail mix recipes for you that you can take on all your outdoor adventures. There's a lot of variety here. I have a classic trail mix, a fruity one, and for all my chocolate lovers out there, I got you. Before we jump into the recipes and how to make everything at home, in the description box below there is a free printable which has a checklist of all the things that you would need to buy for each of the trail mixes. So if you want to take this on the go to the grocery store, check the link below in the description. And without further ado, I'm going to take you back in time to my kitchen and we'll put them all together. First up, we have a classic trail mix. You're going to need half a cup raisins, half a cup walnuts, half a cup peanuts, 1 cup of the tiny pretzels, and half a cup peanut M&Ms. Throw it all into a bowl, mix it to combine, and then you can just store in an airtight container until you're ready to hit the trails. Next is a fruity trail mix. Start with a half a cup yogurt covered raisins, a third a cup banana chips, half a cup almonds, half a cup dried mango, half a cup cashews, and a third a cup apricots. Throw it all into a bowl, give it a mix, and store. For these recipes, feel free to adjust the ratio. If you really like chopped mango, add some more in. Feel free to get creative with this. Lastly, we have a chocolate pecan trail mix. You'll need 1 cup chocolate covered almonds, 1 cup pecans, half a cup pumpkin seeds, a third a cup dark chocolate chunks, and a third a cup dried cherries. You can also use dried cranberries if you can't find the cherries. Combine everything in the bowl, give it a mix, and you're good to go. All right, that is it. I told you it was really easy. I hope you get to try some of these recipes. Let me know in the comments below if you like them. And don't forget to download the PDF, which has the checklist that you can take to the grocery store to make things nice and easy for you. I'll catch you in the next video.